how to create a new Apple ID. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new Apple ID on iPhone, particularly for users with a new device. So let's dive right in. First things first, go to your Google Chrome or you can even go to Safari and then on the search bar, search for iCloud.com. Hit go and then you will be prompted to this page. Go ahead and tap on sign in. Now, here, this sign in option is for those who already have Apple ID. So you have to go to the bottom and find create Apple account and tap on it. Now, you'll need to put in your first name, your last name, your country, your date of birth, and then the email address that you want to use for your iCloud, and then password, and then re-verify your password. And you can even put in your country and the phone number. And you can verify it by using your text message or a phone call and hit continue by entering the characters to verify that you're not a robot. And that's it. After that, your new Apple ID will be created. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.